There's a few functions on this machine that I want you to master, and one of them is what's called the stitch restart button. But it doesn't just restart a stitch. Like if you're halfway through, it would restart it back to the first stitch of the original pattern, but it actually can be used a couple ways. So let's just go ahead. Let's go ahead and do it the normal way. So I'm going to just sew out a little bit of this decorative stitch and then just randomly stop in the middle. So right now, if we were to start this stitch again, it's going to start right where I left off. But if I touch the stitch restart button, you'll even hear it. You'll hear the needle click back to where it started, which actually was a center needle position. So now it's ready to start that again. It also can be used as a way to end a pattern. So it kind of is like pattern end also. So if you touch it, you'll notice this light activates, and that has a little line at the bottom. And that will also just stop the stitch and lock, and my foot's actually still on the foot control. I can use the little scissors, and then it'll cut it. So if you're looking to finish the actual pattern, so it's not a halfway finished stitch, this is one way to actually do it. So a lot of you who are stitching out your decorative stitches, as you're approaching the end or almost about out of fabric, touch the stitch restart button, and then it will finish the pattern and stop for you.